Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.
Okay. Is everything going well, guys? Yes. So,
Yes.
before we start our lesson about personal letter today, I want one of you to lead for praying. Okay.
Before we start our lessons today, let's pray first. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Radit. Okay. But before it, I want to check the presents. So, are all of you presents? Apakah hari ini kalian semua masuk? Sepertinya udah full ini.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now, our topic today is about personal letter. Okay, apa sih personal letter itu? Whoever get a personal letter? Siapa yang pernah dapat surat pribadi? Siapa yang pernah? Me? Really, Patrice? A personal letter that you ever get? Kira-kira surat pribadi jenis apa yang pernah kamu dapatkan?
My friend.
Oh, from your friend.
Yeah.
Talking about daily activity.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. Now, before letter, I want give you to know about our goal today, ya. Jadi saya mau kasih tahu tujuan kita apa sih belajar tentang apa itu surat pribadi. Yang pertama, satu, menganalisis fungsi sosial dari teks khusus surat pribadi. Yang kedua, menganalisis struktur teks dari teks khusus surat pribadi. Yang ketiga, menganalisis unsur kebahasaan dari teks khusus surat pribadi. Yang keempat, membuat balasan dari teks khusus surat pribadi secara individu. Yang kelima, membuat surat pribadi tentang teks khusus surat pribadi tentang teks khusus surat pribadi ya secara berkelompok. Okay. But as I said before, I have sent to you about the link of personal letter. So I think that you have already watched it, right? Now I will play the video first in a short, ya, secara singkat. And then you have to analyze, kamu harus menganalisa what part that you find in that personal letter, okay? Is there any video on your screen? Apakah ada video di layar kalian?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we start now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Dear Bayu, how are you, my handsome brother?
Is there any sounds? Apakah ada suaranya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I hope you are always okay. Don't worry about me. I am fine here. I am now
Okay. After you watch that video, so what part that you find in that video?
All personal and use pronoun, right, Mom?
Yes, that's right. That's right. It is personal, like we send personally to someone that we know. Okay, and then others.
Me, Mom.
Personal
Yes.
letter.
Yes,
Always
Radit, maybe?
write date and address.
Faiz?
Mom.
Okay, don't forget to write greeting, mom, personal, and etc. Okay, now I will explain more clearly about personal letter. Okay, now let me see about the PowerPoint first. Kita lihat PowerPoint-nya dulu ya.
Yes,
Sudah.
Mom.
Sudah. Okay, what the title of the PowerPoint that I share on your screen?
Personal letter.
Personal letter. Okay, what is personal letter? Apakah sih surat pribadi itu? Siapa yang tahu?
Pribadi itu yang ditujukan kepada satu orang, contohnya seperti teman terdekat atau keluarga, dan itu tidak bersifat terlalu formal, bisa menggunakan bahasa sehari-hari.
Oke, good for Patrice. Oke, jadi personal letter itu adalah a type of letter which conveys personal message between two or more close families, friend, or relative. Oke, can you analyze this personal letter? Apakah tadi yang sudah disebutkan tadi, apakah ada date-nya yang katanya Radit tadi menyebutkan ada date, Mem? Mana? Di sini adakah date-nya?
Ada.
Ada. Bandung, April 1st ya. Oke. And then, apakah ada sender address-nya, alamat pengirimnya? No, enggak ada ya. Oke, enggak ada. Is there any salutation or greeting? Katanya tadi kan ada greetingnya, Mama. Yang mana greetingnya?
To my beloved
Hello,
friend.
That's good.
Aurora.
My beloved friend Aurora. And then there is paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4. Ini disebut apakah ini ya? 1, 2, 3, 4. Paragraf 1, 2, 3, 4 ini disebut
Isi maybe.
Oke, isi itu disebut apa? Body of letter. Oke, isi. Benar. Lah terakhir ini with love, Intan Permatasari disebut apakah itu?
Closing.
Closing. Oke. Nah, tujuannya untuk apa? Memberi informasi kepada penerima, informasikan. Oke. Nah, ini tadi yang sudah kamu sebutkan, heading ini. Nah, masuk ke sender address yang kayak tadi. Tapi ini jarang ditulis juga. Nah, selanjutnya masuk ke salutation, greeting. Contoh, dear Mr. My lovely friend. Di body tadi ada. Terakhir, complimentary close itu kayak tadi, your lovely girlfriend, lovely boyfriend. Nah, boleh seperti itu. Boleh dibubuhkan tanda tangan, boleh tidak. Do you think it is simple or not if we write personal letter?
Simple.
Simple ya. Oke, sekarang kita lihat ini. Wah, jenis surat. After you learn about personal letter, I will give you about tugasnya adalah individual assignment and group assignment. Okay, individual assignment you have to analyze about social function, about generic structure, about language feature, and you have to write it in your book or document of Word and then send your assignment in Teams. You may send your assignment in WhatsApp group. Jadi, now and then I will give you assignment for keterampilan. Jadi tugasnya untuk keterampilan itu ada individu, ada grup. Selama video call itu di capture, di foto ya, dikirim di grup. Berarti itu menandakan kalau kalian sedang berdiskusi. So, after you learn about personal letter, what you get about personal letter? Setelah kamu belajar tentang personal letter, apa sih yang kamu dapat tentang personal letter itu? Oke.
The point is when you create personal letter, you will send to someone personally.
Okay, that's good. The point is when you create personal letter, you will send to someone personally. Okay, others maybe?
Me, Mom.
Okay, Patrice.
If you want to create personal letter, you have to write date, sender address, salutation body, complimentary closing.
Okay, that's good. So maybe others, do you want to add? Yang lainnya mungkin mau nambah, silakan.
Me.
Yes. Putri Anissa.
You must know what type of personal letter that you want to write, like congratulations, thank you, holiday, apologize, and so on.
Okay, that's good. So the last one I want Faiz.
You can use simple language, but sentence must be structured.
Okay, you are all of you very awesome. Okay, so I think is it very clear for you about the personal letter?
Clear, Mom.
Okay. If there is no question, thank you for joining this meeting. Don't forget, next meeting we will learn procedure text. Ada yang pernah tahu procedure text? Sudah pernah? Kalau sudah pernah itu semua gampang. Nah, sekarang you can move to LMS Teams or WA group, ya, WhatsApp group. You can do your assignment in there. And thank you for joining this meeting. See you next time. And thank you so much. Always keep healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And see you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.